It is December 10th, 2020, live in Stockholm, Sweden. 1 to 3 news, everywhere. Sophia Stoides here, outside of the Stockholm Concert Hall. Today is the Nobel Prize Award ceremony, and we are here today to get a glimpse of the Nobel Prize winners of physics. Awarded to the amazing trio of black hole researchers, Roger Penrose, who studied in the 1960s as a mathematician at the University of Oxford about how black holes are formed and how they work. Reinhard Genzel from the Max Planck Institution for Extraterrestrials Physics, and Andrea Ghez, a professor from University of California. Their discovery has had a huge impact on the field of astronomy as a whole, from their research on black holes and much more. Because of the coronavirus, the award ceremony will be held virtually via YouTube for the viewers and the award winners. The announcers, along with the musicians, will be in the building here though. The King and Queen, as always, will be addressing the awards. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I, Sylvia, Queen of Sweden, am so honored to be presenting this year's Nobel Prize in Physics. This award is given to 3 spectacular people who started research in the 1990s to help track stars that were in the middle of the Milky Way that seemed to be orbiting a supermassive black hole. This alone was an amazing new discovery. They started mapping the progress of 4 G objects orbiting close to Sagittarius A, showing the orbits were bent by a supermassive black hole. These G objects looked like gas but acted like stars. Now please play Roger Penrose, Reinhard Genzel, and Andreas Gezim's thank you videos.
I would like to thank Albert Einstein, German physics Karl Schwarzschild, J. Robert Oppenheimer, and George Wolkoff, who started their research on black holes in the early 1900s. Without the prior knowledge learned from these spectacular people, we could not have gotten to our discoveries today. Albert Einstein and Karl Schwarzschild has hugely helped our knowledge about black holes and how they exactly happen. Although these scientists had their doubts about their research, we have been able to prove them right today. Their work started in the early 1900s and is still relevant to this day.
Thank you, NASA, for helping us in our studies from the Chandra X-ray Observatory. Here's a photo of the Chandra X-ray Observatory. It is the most powerful X-ray telescope in the world. The Chandra X-ray Observatory has helped shown a large population of the stellar mass black holes that are in a bounty close to the center of our galaxy. This bounty of black holes were found within 3 light years from Sagittarius A. This discovery led to 4 G objects orbiting close to Sagittarius A, and have now been discovered as past pairs of binary stars, which then was reformed into single objects because of Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole's gravitational forces. Because of the stellar mass black hole's discovery and the G objects, it has now given us tons of more information about black holes that are closely found at the center of our galaxy. Here is a close-up photo of Sagittarius A. The zoomed-in part of the image is a close-up view of the supermassive black hole. This photo is both a mashup of the Chandra X-ray Observatory and the Hubble Space Telescope. The photo was taken over a 5-week period. The blue part is from the Chandra X-ray Observatory, and the infrared mission in red and yellow is from the Hubble Space Telescope. This discovery is now leaving us with the question of, is there more black holes in our galaxy? And yes, there has been evidence found in June 2020 that there are thousands of more black holes near the center of the Milky Way. Black holes and their connection to understanding orbiting stars and gas clouds will be beneficial to understanding the glowing matter which surrounds Sagittarius A. We could not have discovered any of this without all the steps that had led us here today. Thank you to everyone. Thank you very much, Roger Penrose, Reinhard Genzel, and Andrea Gezis. I thank you for all your amazing discoveries.